My name is Victor. I'm with Mercedes-Benz of Burlington, and I'm a sales consultant here. And I wanted to show you today how to change a battery in one of our keys. So we have two keys. We have an older generation and a newer generation. Starting with the older generation, what you would want to do is slide the tab on the top right here to expose the inner key. And then instead of sliding it back in where it would normally go, you're flipping it around and using it to pry open the rear cover. And inside you will see a CR2025 battery that will just come right out. And then you're just replacing the cover, replacing the key, and you're good to go. With the newer generation, you're pressing the button and sliding the cover. No need to expose the inner key. On the side, you'll have a battery compartment that you're sliding out, and it will expose the key or battery. The battery in this case is CR2032. And then once replaced, you're sliding it back in and replacing the cover. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and contact us with any questions.